So today I want to do a review of apexgamingpcs.com. I'm going to show you the website, some information about the sales they run, how to customize your own PC, and overall my feelings about this company. I was recently contacted by them to review their PCs, and upon further review and looking at the website and everything that they had to offer here, I'm quite impressed with the quality of PCs that they have to build here and the service that they provide. So first thing to do here when I come to the website is a nice design here. They have a big sale on for Independence Day. So if you use the code July 4, you can get a discount of 10% off some of the best selling PCs like this. So the one thing I like is that they have pre-built gaming PCs. For myself, I don't really want to make a PC myself because it takes a lot of work and effort. And if you don't know how to build it, it can be difficult. So if you have a pre-built gaming PC like this, with nice reviews on it as well, so it's a brand you can trust. It gives you all the information about the pre-built gaming PC, pictures of it. It has the option to pay in monthly installments. So with Affirm, you can do monthly installments with 0% APR. So you can actually spread out your payments for the PC, and you can save with the Independence Day sale with the code July 4. So what you can do here is you can see a breakdown of all the different components that are in this PC, which a lot of other companies don't do, which is amazing. So you can see the CPU, the cooler, the motherboard, the RAM, GPU, everything. Like a GPU like this, the RTX 5070 Ti is amazing. It's really high quality, high end, fast graphics card. A nice SSD in it, power supply. It's got amazing Wi-Fi capabilities, Bluetooth. So these are top of the line PCs that you can customize. They're upgradable. They have many ports. They got a lot of RAM, and they work with a lot of trusted partners here. So again, this company is called apexgamingpcs.com. So what we're going to do here is do a run through of a customization of one of these PCs and see how it works. So we're going to customize this PC right here. So I really like how the design layout is here. So you can have all the different components, aesthetics, and services. So first we go to the components here. We can do bundles here, so you can save. So you can have preset bundles here, which is amazing. And then if you want to get really nitty gritty details here, you can go through every component here and upgrade or downgrade. So if you upgrade it, it tells you, it's straight up to the point. It tells you exactly the cost of it and what you're getting for that upgrade. So you can have upgrade the CPU, the cooler, the thermal paste, motherboard, RAM. So if you want more RAM, just like this, it shows you what they look like. So you can get RGB RAM, so RAM that lights up. So it's super cool and aesthetic look for your PC. You get a GPU. You can get an even faster GPU. Or a more powerful GPU. You can get SSDs, secondary SSDs. You don't need a hard drive, an extra one, or you can get extra hard drive, so tons of space. So all the space for games and so forth, or your media files like your videos, your movies, TV shows. If you stream or make your own videos or so forth, you can do that. You can upgrade the Wi-Fi, the power supply. So look, it's that simple. You just go through here, simply go through, pick whatever you want. You can see exactly what the components look like, exactly what the components do. So it's very straightforward. Instead of needing to know how to create this PC yourself, you can just customize it here on this website, get everything you need, and then you can get it shipped out right to you. They actually have a sale right now for shipping, where they ship it to you, I believe, for $99. So from time to time, they have the shipping discounts as well, as well as the Independence Day deal. And there's other deals that they have, I'm sure, throughout the year. You can even add in a gaming chair. So that's amazing. Look at all these different features, webcams, speakers. So this would take forever to do this all on your own and go to different websites, different companies. If you need to go to the store itself and waste your time there, this is the hassle-free way of doing it. It's so convenient. You can do it from home. All you need to go is the website apexgamingpcs.com. Then go to the pre-built gaming PC you want, customize it just like this. Go through all the different steps here of all the different components, and then you can go to aesthetics here. You can actually even get a vinyl wrap, so you can make it look different colors. You can have different fans. You can have RGB fans, which is amazing. I've never seen a vinyl wrap on a PC. This is amazing. You get different case colors. You can have certain cases, so you can see into the case, the glass sides of the casing. You can have special RGB lighting. You can have certain power supply, so you can see the different colors of the cables of the power supply, so the aesthetic look of the inside of the PC. You can get this information GPU snag bracket here. You can have a whiteout of it, and you can have different types of mounts for your GPU, for your graphics card. That's amazing there as well. And then you can have services here. So you can have a certain type of shipping time. You can get it shipped a lot quicker to you. For $99, get it in 5 days or 3 days with a certain price right here. And then you can get certain warranties, which gives you peace of mind when ordering from them. You can even get a loaner PC. So never be without a PC while you get a PC from them. You can have a system engineer, and then there's shipping warranties here as well. So you can have a 1-year shipping warranty. The antivirus, which is a peace of mind, so you don't get any viruses on your computer. You can overclock it, so you can make the computer go even faster than it's capable of going. You can have some wire management here, so you can make it even more aesthetically pleasing. They can reduce the sounds to make the computer even quieter. You can have protection. Surge protection is huge as well for PCs. So if you have a lot of lightning or power surges or power failures in your neighborhood, surge protection is huge to protect your PC from going down. I had one of my computers crash, and I had to replace some hardware because of that. So this is a nice peace of mind feature here. You get some GPU shipping and installation, and you can have some options here for operating systems as well. So this is how you can customize a PC. It's that simple. Let's go to the website. You customize a PC, or if you don't want to customize a PC, you can get fully pre-built ones that are already done for you. So you just go find the one you want, pick it. You can go from different price ranges. You can take a look at the PCs, see what they look like this. They're so aesthetically pleasing, these PCs that look amazing. So you can get a really cool looking PC that's super powerful, very quiet, does exactly what you want. So streaming, high-end game playing, so forth. It shows you all the ratings that customers have for these games. There's so many different types of PCs you can get. They even have a section for laptops. So if you want a laptop, they have an option for that as well here. So ready to ship PCs. So these are some of the best selling PCs right out of the box. You don't even need to customize them. And then straight to the point, tells you exactly the price, exactly the core specs of the PC. So it's that simple. So you go through, you can read the reviews from customers, pick the PC you want. And then once you pick the PC you want, you customize it if you want to, or you can just add it to your cart. It's that simple. And then we can look at some other products they have here. So they have high performance cloud gaming as well. So you can connect to the cloud and you can play games with a lot of power this way is another option for you. And if you have questions about it, you can contact their support team and they'll answer any questions you have about their PCs. And then, as I mentioned, they'll have all the different reviews here for you to look through. And then you can get support. You can get information about your orders. And they have blogs that have information about their website and so forth. And they have a variety of different payment methods, tons of different payment methods here. And so it's that simple. So just go in here, find the PC you want, click on the PC, customize it exactly to your specs, or keep it exactly as is. Then you can look at this, customize it, then you add it to your cart here. It's that simple. Then it'll tell you exactly what you're getting and the exact price of it. So it's straightforward. There's no hidden anything. It gives you every component and everything you're asked for. Then you can put a coupon code in. So say we had like that July 4 coupon, you put it in here, apply the coupon code, you get the discount right away, and then you can securely check out just like that. And then it gives you all your information here. And then you just need to put your credit card information in, and then you check out, and there you have it. It's that simple. So all you want to do, if you want to check out this company for yourself, and I highly recommend that you do, there's a great company to check out. Just go to apexgamingpcs.com. I'll put a link below this video so you can check out this company for yourself and go through the process to get amazing PC for yourself. Don't worry about the hassle of trying to build a PC yourself. It might fail if you don't put the right components in it. You can do the hassle-free way here with this company, Apex Gaming PCs. Just go to the website, click on the link below this video, pick your PC you want, check out, customize it, and select the payment method, tons of payment methods, or split it out over months. And there you have it, get shipped right to your door, and you're good to go with a brand new gaming PC. Thanks for watching this video.